In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Shopify from Facebook. Whether you're re-evaluating your social media strategy or simply need to change how your business connects with customers online, this guide will lead you through each step in a clear and straightforward manner. Let's begin by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to Shopify's homepage. You'll want to log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside, look for the Apps section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This section is your gateway to managing all the integrations and services connected to your store. Click on Apps. Within the Apps page, you should see a list of all the active apps and integrations you have. Scroll through or use the search feature to locate the Facebook channel integration. This feature is what links Shopify to your Facebook account and page. Once you've found the Facebook app, you'll notice a small trash bin icon or a remove button next to it. These will be crucial in disconnecting the integration. Click on Remove next to the Facebook app. A prompt will appear asking for your confirmation before proceeding. It's a safety measure to ensure that this action is deliberate. It's essential to read through the confirmation message because removing the integration will mean that your Shopify store no longer syncs directly with your Facebook page for product listings, marketing apps, and any other Facebook features you may be using, such as checkout on Facebook. After confirming the removal, the app will be unlinked from your Shopify store. It's a good practice to double-check that everything's disconnected by refreshing the app's page. If it's been successful, you won't see Facebook listed among your active integrations anymore. Now let's shift our focus to Facebook. Head over to the Facebook side of things by going to the Facebook Business Manager. Once logged in, locate and click on Business Settings. In the Business Settings area, look for Accounts, and then select Data Sources, followed by Commerce Manager. Under your list of commerce accounts, look for your Shopify store, which should be visible if it was linked correctly before. Click on the store's name. Here, you can find settings that manage your Shopify link to Facebook. Follow through the options to locate, remove, or disconnect. This step removes any remaining ties between Facebook and your Shopify store, reinforcing the disconnection process. Once you've completed these steps, both platforms should be entirely separate, giving you the freedom to adjust your online strategy as needed, without any hiccups from lingering integrations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and insights on managing your digital business seamlessly.